we're not just turning on power switch, we are illuminating the path of a brighter future. We are walking the talk of leaving no one and no place behind agenda. And by extension, we are promoting inclusivity and shared prosperity. Your Excellency, allow me to briefly explain. As outlined in both the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG, and indeed the National Development Strategy 1, access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy is not merely a goal of itself. It is the key that unlocks the door of achieving many of the Sustainable Development Goals. For instance, our findings from the United Nations Development Program show that if you are able to increase energy access by 10%, there is tendency of reducing poverty by 6% in Africa. And I am sure it's the same with this particular community today. Here in Hwakwata Village, you have seen for yourself the tangible evidence of the interconnection related to energy access. And I know that you have not had the opportunity of meeting Mr. Isaiah, who returned from South Africa to start his carpentry business. And now we are listening to also, which we haven't had the opportunity of seeing, my Ushushu, who is really realizing the power of energy in transforming her shops. The increased access to energy at the Hwakwata Primary School and Clinic are achieving the Sustainable Development Goal 3 on health and the Sustainable Development Goal 4 on education respectively. It is evident that given the biogas that have been distributed to some of the community members, and I want to point out this is Chipinge, who will explain to us when the opportunity comes how her aging legs have been freed from daily firewood collection, representing strides in Goal 15 for the Sustainable Development Goal on agenda, what we call gender equality, that's Goal 5, and SDG 15 of preserving our environment. The solar mini grid is not just providing electricity, it is empowering people, it is powering grids, it is driving livelihoods, and it is fostering equality and catalyzing sustainable development across multiple fronts. Your Excellency, what we see before us is more than just solar panels and power lines. It is the result of powerful partnership from the national level down to this very village.
Muriese yemuno constituency Mutema-Musikavanhu constituency. Tinoda nokuya kwamaita mbuya makawanda matidadisa mataridza kukudza kwamuita vakuru venyu, kukudza kwamuita mabasa akanaka anenge aitwa nehurumende yenyu. Ngatizviomerere maoko. On behalf of the Manzvire family, I wish to thank particularly His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Tanganda-Ngundu for affording Chipinge district and to indicate another milestone project, the establishment of the solar plants and biogas in this community of Hwakwata. Our appreciation also goes to the Rural Electrification Fund, who will implement this, and with all its partners, who collectively join hands with the Hwakwata community to implement the solar and biogas project. Guests of honor, as Mankalians, we are proud of this project, as it has tremendously changed the livelihoods of our beneficiary houses. The provision of clean energy has triggered great transformation and new opportunities that have been ignited. There are already flourishing projects, carpentry projects, welding, gardening, among others. Indeed, this project is a true demonstration of His Excellency the Presidency mantra of leaving no one and no place behind. Guests of honor, ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity to demand on non-renewable energy sources. Many hydro stations established by independent power producers in Chipinge, Nyanga, and Tasa, which are producing approximately 40 megawatts of power. Electrification of schools, business centers, health facilities through the Rural Electrification Fund, with several projects already completed this year alone. To the Hwakwata community, Jorakuti, Nasi Svarenu, this is your day. Israel Pemera is a day of celebration. Celebration of the one of the major community development achievements recorded in the area in the recent past. Israel tinopeperera mabasa makuru ari kuitwa nestate department. Taona solar plant yapera nezvese zviri pati neprojekti iyoyo. Taona mabasa akasiyana-siyana achiitwa muno muChipinge district and of course the province yedu yese yeManyikaland. Guests of honor, in conclusion, let me once again welcome you and your entire delegation and all the invited guests.
Opportunity and empowerment for this community. And we've already seen the positive transformation this project has caused, and there is significant capacity to do more. Through this investment, we are enhancing energy access, supporting local economic growth through increased mobility, improving health and education outcomes, and creating a safer environment. Therefore, kulona kutangwa na mizi nekure kwemoto mushinji wakachenya wadawira Hwakwata. Your Excellency, this project is part of the UK investment called the Climate Adaptation Water and Energy Programme, CALAC. By building the 200 kilowatt grid we've seen this morning, CALAC works with partners and works with the Ministry of Energy and Power Development. It's contributing significantly to your government's climate commitments. Firstly, it accounts for 10% of Zimbabwe's national determined contribution, NDC, target of installing an additional 2.098 megawatts through microgrids by 2028. And secondly, by providing access to water for multiple uses and weather and climate information to anticipate and respond to climate events, it's contributing to delivering Zimbabwe's national adaptation plan. But why is the United Kingdom investing in Hwakwata? In a major foreign policy speech a few weeks ago, the United Kingdom Foreign Secretary, Honourable David Lammy, was clear that the biggest risk to humanity globally is the climate and nature crisis. He was unequivocal about the need for governments to work together to provide clean power, build climate resilience, and protect nature. Your Excellency, this project is a perfect example of the kind of modern partnership that we, the British government, aspire to around the world. We are proud to be contributing UK support to CALAC with the government of Zimbabwe here in Hwakwata, in Pinga, and in Caesar and Chipinge districts, deepening the partnership of clean innovation and unlocking climate finance. Your Excellency, may I restate the UK commitment to future collaborations on renewable energy and energy efficiency. The Renewable Energy MOU signed between our two countries provides the basis for this work, and we hope to attract British businesses to invest in innovative clean energy projects around the country. Your Excellency, I want to commend and thank you for your personal keen interest in the work of the United Kingdom in supporting Zimbabwe and in partnership with your government. Mashuma, the power of the project now.
It's power that gets from the battery. And then that power is conditioned in the control room with where we are going. So here we have 460 solar panels. And when combined in a particular fashion, they then give us 220 kilowatts. In technical terms, there is what is called series combination and parallel combination. But what it simply means is they are in such a manner that they will then generate 200 kilowatts. So during the day, as the sun varies, the power generation also varies in synchronism, such that the peak power generation is around 12 noon up to around 1 p.m. So that's the reason. Now I would like to show you, for those that are interested in the makeup, they are made of lithium ion, which is the trending technology in terms of batteries for power generation these days. Thank you.
Capacity?
Pardon?
Storage capacity.
Storage capacity in terms of the batteries. See, now for the 200 kilowatts that we have. In terms of ampere hours, 600 ampere hours.
For how long after? So we've had a few cloudy days here in Hwakwata, so how long will the batteries hold the power?
In terms of autonomy,
There's 2.5 days.
2.5 days of autonomy.
Yeah, that is it if we have the peak load.
It has one switch so that you are able to switch off the plant on and off. And then we have what we call an isolated transformer, which is used for protection to separate what is coming out from there and what is going out into the line. So whatever happens there in terms of disturbances, we use that to separate 2 seconds. And then from there, we are then feeding into the lines, into the various lines that we have. I think 3 lines here. And then each line will take specific number of customers. And there are 3 of them here. So one goes to the clinic and the customers beyond. The other one takes business center, and then the third one goes this direction. And then behind us there we have the garden that is also supplied with solar. So in terms of the concept of the smart village,
ndakutotenda UNDP avo vakadai nekundipa chihome solar system ichi. Inini ndoda kutovatenda zvikuru nekuti pamalaiti apa vana vangu vanga vasina mukana wekuti vaverenge, asi pari zvinezvi vana vangu vari kutoverenga, malaiti anenge aripo vachitoverengawo mahomework vanenge vachitoita. Malaiti ndinomashandisazve kubika nekuona zviri pabanze. Kune nyoka dzinenge dzeihamba neani ndichiona kuti hunyoka iri kuhamba apa ndinenge ndichichajisa foni yangu apa. Ndoda kutovatenda pakuchajisa foni yangu nekuti foni yandanga ndinayo yaindochinjwa bhatiri kumba kwevanhu kwandainga ndichichajisa, uyezve kana airtime irimo vaitora voshandisa. Ndoda kuvatenda zvikuru vakadai nekundipa chihome solar system.
The Hwakwata Green Village project, comprising of solar home systems, biogas digesters, and 200 watts solar mini grid plant supplying electricity to Hwakwata community, was officially commissioned by the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Comrade Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, on 3 October 2024. He is here represented by our Minister of Energy and Power Development.
mvura tinotenda mvura nekuti hatichagwindi mugodi yakuvhurirawo pamatepi uye zvipfuyo zvedu zvakumwawo zvakatonaka.
Ndoda kutendawo nemasola pakati pachirungu changu kanyi kuno iyi ndaimbashekwa kuti machonyonyo saka ndoda kubatenda nyaya yekuti magetsi chapachirungu chemene saka ndoda kubatenda kuna baba.
Netowa wanzi mogore ndogara muno Hwakwata Chipinge South kuno. Takaita rumbo rakanaka takapuwa magetsi. Saka nyaya iripo ini ndanga nebusiness rangu rokuita zvekuvaka. Ndikumaona saka takati saka takaita rumbo rakanaka takapuwa magetsi. Ndakabva ndaona kuti zvakakosha kuti ndishandise magetsi because wangu atawa mukana. Because ndanga ndichiita zvekuvaka macustomer angu mazhinji taenda kundotora mawindow kutown, madhoo kutown, zvese kutown. Saka takapuwa magetsi takabva tatanga business yekutanga kupisira muno Hwakwata. Saka tingati magetsi ari kutibatsira zvakanakisa because zvinhu zvese zvakutiitira nyore. Wakwanisa kuwana zvinhu zvese pano paHwakwata. And then even mashops vangu vashandisa magasi and so on. Asi zvakushandisa magetsi. Saka zvinhu zvese zvadini zvatrade kuira kuti ari magetsi.
Ndira kutotendawo UNDP avo vakadai nekundipa home solar system ichi. Inini ndoda kutovatenda zvikuru nekuti pamalaiti apa vana vangu vanga vasina mukana wekuti vaverenge, asi pari zvinezvi vana vangu vari kutoverenga. Malaiti anenge aripo vachitoverengawo mahomework vanenge vachitoita. Malaiti ndinomashandisazve kubika nekuona zviri pabanze. Kune nyoka dzinenge dzeihamba ndichitoona kuti hunyoka iri kuhamba apa ndinenge ndichichajisa foni yangu apa. Ndoda kutovatenda pakuchajisa foni yangu nekuti foni yandanga ndinayo yaindochindwa bhatiri kumba kwevanhu kwandainga ndichichajisa, uyezve kana airtime irimo vaitora voshandisa. Ndoda kuvatenda zvikuru vakadai nekundipa home solar system.